Every thought you have is born inside a universe no one else will ever see. At this very moment, nearly 90 billion nerve cells are exchanging signals and patterns, so intricate that they create everything you call reality. The world around you feels solid and immediate, yet every color, every sound, every memory, and every emotion exists only after your brain transforms invisible electrical impulses into experience. The greatest universe you will ever explore may not lie beyond the stars, but within your own skull. For centuries, humanity searched the heavens for answers, mapping constellations and measuring galaxies across unimaginable distances. Yet hidden behind our eyes is a landscape just as astonishing. Your brain weighs little more than a kilogram, but it contains trillions of connections. These connections are not fixed wires. They're living pathways, constantly reshaping themselves as you learn, remember, and adapt. Even while you listen to these words, countless microscopic changes are taking place, quietly rewriting the architecture of your mind. Imagine standing above a city at night. Streets glow with streams of moving lights, each one carrying people, stories, and decisions. Now multiply that complexity beyond imagination. Every second, vast networks of neurons exchange electrical and chemical messages at extraordinary speed. Together they produce something science still struggles to fully explain: consciousness. We can observe brain activity with remarkable precision, but how physical processes become the rich inner world of thoughts and feelings remains one of the deepest mysteries in modern science. The deeper researchers look, the stranger the picture becomes. Memory is not stored in a single location like files inside a computer. Instead, experiences are woven across networks spread throughout the brain. Each time you remember a childhood moment, you are not simply opening an untouched record. Your brain actively reconstructs it, blending stored information with your present state of mind. Memory is both astonishingly reliable and surprisingly creative. Then, there is perception. Your eyes do not capture reality like cameras. They gather fragments of light. Your ears detect changing air pressure. Your skin senses tiny mechanical forces. The brain combines these incomplete signals into a seamless world that feels effortless and complete. In many ways, you never experience reality directly. You experience your brain's best interpretation of it. This remarkable machine also predicts the future, moment by moment. Before you consciously react, your brain is already anticipating what comes next, comparing expectations with incoming information. The quiet process helps you catch a falling object, recognize a familiar face, and understand a sentence before the final word is spoken. Much of what feels like immediate awareness is actually careful prediction happening beneath consciousness. Yet for all its power, the brain is wonderfully imperfect. It creates optical illusions, fills gaps with assumptions, and sometimes remembers events that never happened exactly as recalled. These are not flaws in a broken system. They reveal a mind optimized not for perfect recording, but for survival, adaptation, and meaning. Perhaps the most extraordinary fact is that the universe inside your skull has spent billions of years learning to understand the universe beyond it. The atoms that now form your neurons were forged inside ancient stars, long before Earth existed. Through evolution, those same atoms became living cells, then nervous systems. In a Eventually, a mind capable of asking where it came from. In a very real sense, the cosmos became aware enough to wonder about itself. And now, that wonder lives inside you. Every question you ask changes the networks within your brain. Every discovery expands an inner universe that no telescope can ever observe. Science continues to reveal how this incredible organ works, yet the existence of conscious experience itself remains one of nature's greatest unsolved puzzles. Perhaps that mystery is a reminder of both our knowledge and our humility. The more we uncover about the mind, the more profound existence appears. Whether you see that as the outcome of natural history alone, or as a reflection of a greater creator, the invitation is the same: to keep exploring, because the most breathtaking frontier may never be the one above your head, but the infinite universe quietly unfolding behind your eyes.